Winter weather on the East Coast is causing problems for people traveling by air all around the country.
Yeah, we're already seeing a few delays and cancellations here in Indianapolis. RTV6 reporter Julie Persley is live at Indianapolis International Airport with the latest. Julie.
Right now we have about a dozen cancellations when you're looking at inbound and outbound flights here at Indianapolis International, and it's actually affecting some families. We found the Kaufman family from Liberty, Indiana. We have the mom, Julia, Drake, and Roya. So where were you guys going to go today, and what happened?
We were going to go to Baltimore and then Aruba, but our flight got canceled.
Oh no. So what do you do now, Mom?
Well, we've been here a couple hours trying to get everything changed, and so we're going to Orlando and not going to get to Aruba till tomorrow.
Wow. Can I go with you, Drake? No, I think that's it. Well, good luck, guys. We hope you get there eventually. So, you know, they're trying to head somewhere warm, but their flight has been canceled because of all of this bad weather out east. You can take a look here on the cancellation board. We see a number of cancellations from Baltimore, also Charlotte over here, New York, and Newark, and then also some of the arrivals have been canceled. They're showing here on the board, and there are just a couple of delays. So obviously, if you're going to be traveling today, you'll want to check with the airline before you get here. That family drove about an hour and a half just to get into Indianapolis so they could try to get out of here to go to Aruba. So again, check with your airline before you leave home. Reporting live, Julie Persley, RTV6.